the Plachet House, circa 1891, built in the late Victorian, Craftsman, and Foursquare styles. The precise date of construction of this house is somewhat difficult to determine. The property was owned by George B. and Caroline Neal from 1856 until 1890, when it was sold to Betty N. Strivling for $2,000. That amount would seem excessive for the time for a building lot, leading one to think a house must have already existed here. Stribling sold the property the following year for $5,000, which must reflect the building of a new house or the expansion of an old one. The front portion of the house, with its wide overhanging roof and low-pitched roofline and dormers, is in the prairie taste. The use of exterior stucco was also popular in prairie-style houses. From 1905 to 1912, the house was owned and occupied by Fred B. and Julia Logan Hutchinson. Mr. Hutchinson was the business manager for Ringling Brothers Barnum and Bailey Circus. A letter from Buffalo Bill Cody to Hutchinson is displayed in the family room. The house has 15 rooms on 4 levels. Each room on the main floor is graced with a fireplace, as is each of the 4 bedrooms on the second floor. The third floor was originally used as servants' quarters and became a private apartment for the Plachet's daughters. A New Orleans-style patio and courtyard in the rear of the house provide a relaxing retreat during the hot summer months. The large front porch provides an outdoor living area with a beautiful view of Ann Street.